The Home Energy Score app makes it easy to enter HVAC equipment efficiency values. In the Systems tab, select the type of heating system. If you know the system's efficiency value, such that it may be displayed on an energy guide label, simply click and add the system efficiency value. If you do not know the system's efficiency value, tap the button to reveal the efficiency value calculator. Select the system's efficiency type, then enter the year installed to generate an efficiency value. This value will automatically be placed in your data collection. Depending on the heating or cooling system, the calculator options may differ. Simply follow the options displayed to generate the system's efficiency value for your report.